For generations, we're used to adhesives that are a product that cure with air or over time, and Bondic's completely different. It's revolutionary in that it's liquid plastic, and you determine when you want it to cure, and you do that with a UV light in 4 seconds.
Glues work by sticking two flat surfaces together. Bondic gives you that unique ability to be able to rebuild shapes and sizes. And instead of sticking two pieces together, you can weld around them or literally just rebuild them.
Anyone can use Bondic because it comes in a little tube. You squeeze that tube, it comes out like honey, it's thick, and you can move it around, you can position it, you can use gravity to let it hang and change shape, and then only when you're ready, you press that UV light and you cure it. And immediately after those 4 seconds, you can literally file it, sand it, drill it, paint it, mold it, shape it, do all kinds of things. So in lay terms, plastic is something that's referred to in science as a polymer. And polymer is nothing but a chain of molecules that have organized themselves and tightened up. And that's the hard plastic that you get.
So imagine these monomers as blue and red balls in a tub of water. They're all floating around and they're trying to naturally attract to each other, but they can't do so because of the fluid stopping them. So when the user shines a UV light onto the fluid, it breaks down the fluid, allowing the monomer compounds to come together, creating a polymer chain, which is in turn plastic. The need for quicker and more efficient repairs is there, and with Bondic, we're trying to bring this to the world and make it happen.